So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna head to the CapCut app. So we're just gonna go to the templates part and click on how Pinterest sees me. We have to search it, obviously. This one. Okay, so as we can see, there are all these categories. What we have to do is go to Pinterest and search one by one, just the name of the category, like animal, place, and anything like that. And the first result that we have is the one that we're gonna use in this template. So the first one is animal. We're gonna head to Pinterest, and the first option that appears in the search results is gonna be the one that we download. Animal. We're gonna click on download image. Okay. Well, and we're gonna do that with all the different categories until all the images in the template are completed. So now we have all completed. We have to go to the use template option, and this is gonna appear. It's gonna appear our gallery. We're gonna go to all, not just videos. Okay, and now we're gonna select each one of these in the order that appeared originally on the template, so it goes in its corresponding area. And now, as you can see, we can change all the photos in order, but we have it in the right order, so we're gonna go to export. Let's see, it's downloading now, and it's done.